So yeah, we're still heading up though, gang. We're still heading up. Price is still heading up, depending on your lot size. Like easily right now, this could be a two. This is a major move, like from 1833, obviously to 1835. But you can see it's starting to wick. You could be up 2,000 right now, 3,000. I'm up 2,000 right now. And I'll show y'all that trade. Um, Depending on your lot size, like this is a major move from 1833. From 1833, it was at 1833, 1834. We got in at 1833. So from 1833 just to 1835, it was just at 1835 right now. Depending on your lot size, this could be like a $3 grand trade. Uh, $4 grand trade right now, easily. Um, so gold is going to take profit 5, as you can see. Our next key level is take profit 5. Um, but let's see if gold wants to go up there. We can see we want to get a close above take profit 5 on the daily candlestick. Like I said, it was just retesting for the last 2 days. Now price is heading up to take profit 5. After retesting off of take profit 4. Next key level, we trade key level to key level. Key level. So from take profit 4 to take profit 5, from take profit 5 to take profit 6, take profit 6 to take profit 5, from take profit 5 to take profit 4. So we trade key level to key level. Obviously, price can go past 2 or 3 or 4 key levels in one day, 5 key levels in one day. Gold can do that. Obviously, any pair can do that. Obviously, but we trade key level to key level. Take profit 5 to take profit 6. So it's in this take profit 4 area, take profit 4 area, take profit 5 area is next. If we get a close above it, take profit 6 is the next key level on the daily. So we'll see what this daily candlestick wants to do. Like depending on your lot size, you could be up $6 grand right now. Now I'll make sure I show y'all that too. Like I'll make sure I show y'all that trade. But you would look at the daily candlestick, boom, you see, prices at literally at take profit 5 area. We can get a close above take profit 5. Now obviously next key area is take profit 6. But we gotta see if we can get a close above it. If price has enough momentum to close above take profit 5, but the price will be going to take profit 6. But it might be heading back down. It might just be retesting back down, and it might just be a time to get out of the trade. Um, like you can see, boom, price went right to take profit 5. So 5 minutes. Let's go to the 1 hour. Price went right to take profit 5. Take profit 5 area. Boom, and what did it do? Starting to hit back down, starting to wick back down. We have to see if price has enough momentum to close above take profit 5 area. If it wants to, it will. But gold is still in the uptrend. Overall, candlesticks are still above the trend line. The daily will tell you a lot of what's really going on. I'm gonna show you get used to looking at the daily. Will tell you a lot of what's going on. You can see for the week so far, price is heading back up. To take profit 6. Still in the uptrend. You see price is still in the uptrend. Next key level is take profit 6, then take profit 7. It was just retesting and it retested on January 17th, Friday, from take profit 6 all the way back to take profit, take profit 4 area. And now, for this week it's heading back up to take profit 5 so far. We go back to the daily candlestick, see what's really going on with price. Price could just be heading out to take profit 5 and now it's retesting back down. As it might not be enough momentum right now. Like, it's only 6:32 p.m. It might not be enough momentum right now to get all the way to take profit 6. So like depending on your lot size, you could still be up 4 or 5 grand easily. Once it starts to wick, we want to scale down into the 4 hour, 2 hours, see what's going on. Like, okay, it's starting to wick down. This will be a good time to probably get out of this trade. But we'll see what price wants to do. We'll see what price wants to do in the 2 hour. You can see buyers are still in control as we go to the 1 hour. Buyers are still in control. So get up to take profit 5 area right here. If we get a push to take profit 5 area, still looking for price to go to take profit 5 area, but it might still go there for this hour candlestick. For this hour, we might see it close above take profit 5. But let's see what's going on as far as the 15. Let's scout into the 15. Okay, you see, pressure. You see this candlestick is still above this candlestick though. This candlestick right here is still above this candlestick, letting us know that we're still in an uptrend. If it would started heading back down, we seen this candlestick go below this candlestick, then okay, we could see sellers pushing price down. And you can see it wicking as when we see wicks, that means that sellers want to push price back down. As we look on the 15, but this candlestick is still above this candlestick. So as long as this candlestick is still above this candlestick, we're still going up to take profit 5. But it could just get right to this key level. It did get to this key level, right to this key level. So, it can't head back down. It got right to take profit 5. It just didn't close above it. And sometimes you have to know that game. Sometimes you have to just know, like, all right, it's time to close it. It got to take profit 5. We didn't get a closure above take profit 5, but you don't know what gold wants to do. It could just be going heading up, making a higher low, really, before making a lower low, right, to take profit 4. So it had to make a higher low. And I think it's making a lower low right now. I think it would be a great time to really, really get out of this trade. It's me just knowing like what's going on with price. Still up like $5,000. But just knowing what price likes to do. Like once price gets to a level, sometimes we'll just test it one time and then head back down. Like it did up here in take profit 6 area, take profit 5 area. It got all the way up here, boom, one time, and then headed back down. Got up here one time and then headed back down. So I wouldn't be surprised if Price did it with take profit 5 area. I would not be surprised. Price did this with take profit 5 area. Got up here one time and then headed back down. Now sellers are pushing price to take profit 4. Take profit 4 area. Like I would not be surprised if that's the move. If price goes to take profit 4 area. Price can get up here one time and then head back down, just like it did in the past. Like it did right here. Price went all the way up to take profit 6 and headed right back down a few times. Here and headed right back down. Boom, got all the way up to here and then what? Headed back down. Got to here, headed back down. Got all the way up to here, headed back down. So sometimes it will get all the way up here and then head back down. So you just gotta know the market and just know what price wants to do. Like I'm closing this trade, like boom, I'm taking that money, and then I'm gonna get back in for sales, boom, because I see price is now heading back down, making a lower low. I feel like it just made a higher low, and now it's gonna make a lower low, and we're still in a downtrend, so we're still in a retest. I feel like let's go back to the daily and see what's going on. See on the daily. Price is retesting back down. So it was just making it could make a higher low and go back to take profit for it as price can, bounce off this trend line like it did in the past. It bounced off the trend line, bounced off the trend line, bounced off the trend line, 1, 2, 3. I wouldn't be surprised we see price bounce off this trend line one more time, 2 more times before heading up to take profit 5, take profit 6. Like price can do anything, gang. Like gold can do anything. But it can go to take profit 5. If we can go to take profit 6 and still be heading up. It can it can go down to head back up, or it can go all the way down, test this trend line, and then push back all the way up. We had to pay special attention to see what price wants to do on these daily candlesticks. We can get a close above take profit 5. Obviously, next key level is take profit 6. If not, then price will go to take profit 4, bounce off the trend line like it did in the past. January 18th, like it did in the past. Boom, bounce off the trend line, head up. Bounce off the trend line, head up. Bounce off the trend line, head up. So I'll keep you posted, gang. All right, gang.